Hey guys, welcome to kjanewaypma Audition Makeup Tutorial Technique plus tips and tricks video. First thing you're going to want to do is scrub your face. Not actually hard scrub, but take some warm water and a washcloth and exfoliate your face thoroughly. Here's me staring creepily at you for some reason. Okay, so here we are outside. No, I am not sick. This is what my face looks like without makeup. Here we have witch hazel that I am dabbing into my face, and now proceeding to rub around to tone the skin. After we have finished toning, we are now going to moisturize with some vitamin E moisturizer. We're going to put it on our face and tap it in. And you guys know, I see that thing on the left of my neck and I have no idea what it is. I think it's chocolate? Sorry guys, I got really excited because my dog, she showed up. Okay, so I am taking BB cream and putting it on the back of my hand like a palette, taking some CoverFX foundation as well, squeezing it on there, mixing it around with a foundation brush, tapping it, and tapping it into my face. The sides, the nose, and basically you want to go from the inside of your face outwards. So you're going to start, like, I'm just right now putting it everywhere, and you're going to start from the inside, see, and you're gonna go outwards. And I'm just smiling for the camera because my face always looks upset if I'm just living my life. So yeah, so we have here some CoverFX as well, great vegan brand. Highlighter, gonna dab that on, and we're gonna put it in some highlighting places, which would be wherever the sun gets hit first when your face hits some photons. So that seems like some good places. Yeah, all the way around there. That's pretty good. Yeah, seems great. Okay, you know what? Oh, let's go down there too. And okay, you know what? I just dirtied my shirt. So, okay, so that's what we're doing. And we have some dark circle NYX stuff. The stuff that people say, are you tired? No, I'm not tired. This is just my skin, and it's how I look. Anyways. Sorry, I just get really upset when people say that. You know, no, I'm just wearing makeup. This is what my face looks like. Okay, so yeah, so we're just sort of covering our entire face in this war paint mask. Haha, I'm so happy. Look at me, I am a clown. Okay, so now we're doing the eyebrows, and you guys do not, like, just, oh, look at that, I just messed, yeah, just use the saliva, just lick your face right off. Okay, so you guys, I'm using a powder, and I'm just kind of going around on the edges and then filling it in the center. And you guys, do not put, see what I did just there? Do not do that. Don't put the brush right up to the edges. Here I'm saying I love you, thanks for putting up with me. We're combing out the brows now, and we're kind of wiping off the excess brow gel, and now we're just kind of going back into the brows, and yeah, we know that we messed them up, so what we're going to be doing is just trying to comb them to fix them. And yeah, okay, so now we've got some eyeshadow, and we're going to dab that in. And we're kind of just, as you can see, covering the eyelid in no particular technique. But for auditions, you guys, and this is what I really wanted to drill home, for auditions, the makeup technique, I love you, the makeup technique for auditions is, you guys, number one, confidence. Confidence. So if you put on makeup and you feel confident with that makeup, that is going to help you in your audition. What we're also doing here is putting on some hourglass shading stuff, bronzer, and kind of putting it everywhere. We're just kind of going crazy now and just going all over the face. So yeah, the number one thing I would say with my tip and tricks for a great makeup session for an audition, here we've got some highlighter and blush, we're just going on the cheeks, is confidence. Number one, drink a bunch of water. Number two, exfoliate your skin. Number three, moisturize. Number four. Number five, you want to put on some foundation, and you want to accent your face, whatever those sections are. For me, it happens to be my giant eyebrows. It happens to be, I guess, my eyeballs and lips, you know, the general face. No, we're going in the lips now. You guys, so here's the trick. So to make my lips appear bigger in photos, they look a lot bigger than they actually are. It's a makeup it's a trick So look at this. See what I'm doing? Yeah, smush them together. I'm drawing my line just ever so slightly in a base with a liner, and as you can see, I'm just filling in the corners. I went a little farther. Okay, let's just clean that up. That's okay. That's fine, you guys. We could always clean. Okay, so we're just trying to get this a little bit more straight there and symmetrical. Okay, great. God, my back probably hurts. All right. Yeah, if you're squeamish around eyeball stuff, I'd suggest looking away for the next 10 seconds. So note what we're doing is the waterline, sticking a pencil real close to the eyeball, pulling it down, and putting some makeup there. It's crazy. So now we've got some lip stuff. Nars, nice and vegan. Got some stuff on my face. Ugh, what are you gonna do when you're doing your makeup and stuff is on your face? Okay, I seem really happy to be dabbing that onto that. And we're just gonna dab this right onto the face, lips. We're instead of the other lips, we're gonna be dabbing it on. And oh man, third step. Okay, look at this. We've got the highlighter, the highlighting effect of the liner right there, and we've actually drawn a little bit out of that line. So we've double drawn our line outside of our original line, and bam, there you go. Your lips look bigger. Bam, there you go. You don't need to get Juvederm or fillers if you want to look like you have fuller lips. You could go ahead and get those things if you want to, though. No judgment. It's great stuff. Great stuff. Okay, so we're just flipping our eyelids and in this contraption, medieval contraption, and we're putting on some mascara. And you guys, my mascara, if you ask what it is, it's clear and black mixed together. I've got 2 vegan brands, and I just mixed them together in a brush. And I actually don't remember what they were. So okay, that's my life. So there we go, finishing. Oh my god. Yeah, that happens. That's okay, you guys. Just dab some saliva on a napkin and wipe it and just buff it out. There you go. Everything's fine now. Perfect. Finished. Oh my god, we're done. We are done our makeup, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is exactly what the Audition Makeup Tutorial Technique is confidence, drinking water, moisturizing, and accentuating your own beauty. But first and foremost, give yourself a hug. Yeah, just give yourself a hug right now. Do it. If you don't do it, maybe do it later. Really do it, okay? I am beautiful. You are beautiful. ASMR, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if you would like to see more, and I'll see you next video, guys.